Hello everyone, on behalf of the Indian Dietetic Association Telangana chapter, we would all like to present a short video on how you can take care of health through good nutrition. I will start off with the letter C. The letter C could indicate and remind all of you about the calorie content of food and how we have to make sure that we limit our calorie intake during this period of extreme lockdown where we have very limited physical activity. So which are the foods that we can include during this period? The low calorie foods coming from our fruits, coming from our vegetables, will give us satiety but will not increase our calorie density. At the same time, calorie dense foods could be the sweets, chocolates, ice cream, the soft drinks that you may be having during this summer. It could also include our oils and fats coming from our puris, vadas, samosas, all of which are very tasty but could be very calorie dense and need to be budgeted, limited during this period where putting on 2 to 3 kgs easily in a month's period is quite possible. So ensure that you're watching your calories, keeping it limited and keeping them coming only from healthy foods like fruits, vegetables and complex carbohydrates, which will not only give you the right kind of calories but also give you various other health benefits in terms of their vitamins and minerals.
O. Opt for at least 5 portions of fruits and vegetables, that is 100 grams per portion, which you can get from locally available seasonal fresh fruits and vegetables.
Restrict the intake of salt and sugar.
Optimal intake of good quality protein and fat.
No food junk food. So in this lockdown period, we started eating healthy food and homemade food, and we avoided a lot of junk food. So try to continue this, and we all know that eating junk food has causes many metabolic diseases and obesity and diabetes and hypertension, and all these diseases are raised in our country. So try to avoid and continue eating healthy food and try to build up your immunity.
Avoid overeating, food wastage and eating out, and stay fit in these times of crisis.
V stands for validate nutrition information before you actually believe them. You can get the right information from World Health Organization website or our own National Institute of Nutrition, an ICMR institute that is there in Hyderabad, on food and nutrition related information. Of late, there has been a lot of misinformation that has been circulated about food and COVID-19 infections. Whether it is about spices or vitamin C rich foods or probiotic drinks or certain nutrients. Don't make one particular nutrient a hero. Balanced diet is the key. And also, I would like to tell you that validate nutrition information before you actually believe it.
I. Include a lot of whole grains in your daily diet. Your daily grain consumption should have at least half of whole grains. Whole grains like whole wheat flour, brown rice, barley, whole corn can be included. They're a very rich source of fiber, antioxidants, vitamins and minerals.
R. Replenish your body and stay hydrated with adequate intake of water and not sugary drinks for good immune response.
The letter U could remind us about the unnecessary foods, whether in terms of extra processed foods that we are having, the extra sugary foods that we are having, the too much of salty foods that we are having, that we need to focus on and take it off from our diet. The unnecessary, it could also mean the unnecessary nutritional supplements that we are taking, or the vitamins and minerals or multivitamins that we are taking. So keep a tab, get the right prescription from a dietitian or a physician, and make sure you're including only those that you really need in your daily diet.
Yes. S stands for stay active, de-stressed and sleep well. Sleep plays a very crucial role in physical and mental health, and also effective on our immune system. So sleep also promotes good health and also away from stress, depression and anxiety. So sleep at least 6 to 7 hours and physical activity for 30 minutes is very essential, and also keep away from the stress.